Welcome to the weekend meditation. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior. And on this wintry, blustery, clear Thanksgiving weekend, let us just take a moment to pause before we step into the week ahead and slide out of November and into December, into the full force of the holiday season and the season of light. We have an amazing new moon upcoming this Friday, December 4th. And it will not only be a new moon, but a total solar eclipse. So the energies of the universe continue to challenge us. And the speed at which life is moving, we all realize, is quite incredible, and it's hard to keep up. So let's just take this short meditative time. And as you sit back and relax, find your safe space. And as you do, take a breath in and just let go. Let the shoulders drop. Get yourself comfortable for the next 5 to 6 minutes. And reserve this time just for you. I'd like you to say, I am confident, clear, calm. Again, breathing in confidence, clarity, and a deep sense of calm for your body, mind, and spirit. Despite all that's upcoming and all that you have to do, just let that go for these 5 minutes to rest and restore your being. Again, I am confident, clear, and calm. I am confident, clear, calm. I am stepping into this season of light, this final month in the calendar year, December, in a sense of confidence, clarity, calm. Breathing in deep, letting go. Breathing in deeply again, and just letting go, blowing through that straw. As the holidays in general can be somewhat emotional or feel overwhelming with all that needs to be done in our regular life, plus getting ready for the holiday season and moving through it with confidence, clarity, and a sense of calm. Even though it is a time of gift giving, purchasing, buying, it is also time to reflect on the year that has just passed. So take a breath in, let go, and give yourself credit for all the things that have gone well this year. For those that haven't gone so well, please just let them go and face not only the holiday season, but the year to come with confidence, clarity, and a sense of inner calm that those around you in your outer world will feel as well. Breathing in, letting go with each breath. All that doesn't serve you in this moment. And now breathing in confidence, clarity, calm. Breathing in wisdom, willingness to move forward each day and successfully through the month of December and into the new year. So one more time, resting, restoring your being with I am confident, clear, calm. I let go of the past and welcome the season of light and joy as I say goodbye to November and hello to December. Just taking this time, one hand over the other at your heart, to hold all of your being in love, honor, reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. Thank you for joining me. Deep gratitude for being with me. And I will look forward to seeing you next weekend and sharing the light, brightness, and excitement of the full solar eclipse. Relax for a few more moments before resuming your day.